Welcome to Fruity Veggie Land, where we explore the wonderful world of fruits and vegetables. Today, we're going to learn the names of some delicious and nutritious treats that grow on trees, vines, and plants. Let's start with one of the most popular fruits, the apple. Can you say apple? Next up, we have a fruit that's great for energy, the banana. Can you say a banana? Now, let's take a look at a fruit that comes in bunches, grapes. Can you say a grapes? Moving on to vegetables, here's one that's crunchy and orange, the carrot. Can you say a carrot? And last but not least, we have a fruit that's often mistaken for a vegetable, the tomato. Can you say a tomato? Well done! Now you know the names of some tasty fruits and veggies. Remember to eat a rainbow of colors every day to stay healthy and strong. Thanks for joining us in Fruity Veggie Land. See you next time.